this shit keep piling. New bag, brand new deposit. Brand new deposit. Fuck drip, I don't need no stylist. I don't need no stylist. Go to plug, I ain't talking about socket. No, I ain't talking about socket.
YouTube, what's up YouTube? What is happening YouTube? And today I'm back with another banger. And today I'm going to be reacting to NBA YoungBoy Slime Into It. And this is going to be my own personal channel. J&D Entertainment is over. No shit on there. We still cool. That's sort of, bro. We just not making no more videos because it didn't go as how we thought it was gonna go. But yeah, so I'm going to be reacting to a video. I'm getting my new intro made right now by She Loves Chris. If you guys need anything, any videos, all that, hit them up. Hit a plug though on my hub. But like, let's get into this. Turn that up. Okay. Turn that up. Hold on, let me turn it up for you. Okay, say it again. Woo! And wow, not what you don't know, nigga. Hey, this lightning cold. Y'all can't say it's not. Hey, make before I get far as this video, like, comment, subscribe, share, post on social media, all that. My cousin heard him here, but let me hurry make this video before them niggas start being annoying and shit. Let's go. Let's go. I go by the top, you go by the top, I get toward. He said, I go by the top. Get off your top. I got that sword. I'm making green, I get mad, I leave out red. I can't never throw that nigga put on me hand in my fucking comments, bitch. It's the kid up in there. Hey, that song go hard. Shout out NBA YoungBoy, add me on back. Follow me on all my social medias account. Follow me on add me on Snapchat at NoLimitJ. The A is a 4, you know, slime straight. Follow me on Instagram at 4ktrade.j, cause you know I'm really for my 4K trade name on my hey, but you know about hey, follow me on all social medias. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm on to that.